Like
Sure.
مرحبا.
مرحبا.
السلام عليكم.
السلام عليكم.
Like young youth from teen years and 18 years, we talk about tips and tricks for career success and for all things. Hello everybody. Today we'll discuss about amazing my friend Sarah. Hello Sarah.
Nice to meet you.
This interview talking about your interest. Now I need all information from your studying and making a business. Now we marketing design for this brand, right?
Yeah, sure.
You can discuss.
Yeah, sure. So I am Sarah. I'm the marketing director for MMA Silicon.
Hello.
And also the photographer and video. So yeah, I studied marketing and accounts, but I'm not good at accounts. And
Yes.
now I've
But
been
you're perfect and amazing for marketing and making
thank
videos
you.
and coloring by the fancy program.
Thank you. Yeah, I've been doing the marketing for MMA maybe 6-7 months now, and it's been great.
MMA, like this brand.
Yes,
Yes,
MMA
okay.
Silicon. So Omani brand. I live in Muscat with my husband, and we are hopefully creating an international brand.
Okay.
Is the plan.
Ah.
So yeah, we mostly do Instagram, we do Facebook.
LinkedIn?
We're starting LinkedIn, but we need to do a little bit more.
Yes, okay.
But we get a lot of customers through Instagram. That's how we met Al Kayan, who are helping us
Yes,
here
in
today.
Egypt and Jordan.
Yeah, so Al Kayan sell for us for Egypt.
Yes.
But then we also have customers in Jordan, Yemen, Saudi, Kuwait, Bahrain,
perfect,
and
amazing.
we're also soon going to
But
be available
Egypt
in
is
North Africa, like Libya and Kenya. So
amazing.
Yeah.
But Egypt, mother of the world.
I know. I love Egypt. We visited 6 months ago when we started working with Al Kayan.
I see your photo taking about for Sphinx and pyramids.
Yeah, we loved Egypt. We had last trip we did some work, and we also did some kind of holiday trip, going and seeing some things. And then this week, after the work finishes, we're gonna go and
again.
we're going again. I want to get
Amazing.
some more photos this week.
Let me now teaching you about some words Arabic. Like
Sure.
مرحبا.
مرحبا.
السلام عليكم.
Assalamu alaikum.
Now I need to talk about your interest,
Sure.
like making video.
Sure.
Which feeling when making videos from photo and coloring videos, footage using DaVinci.
Yeah,
Great.
DaVinci.
And we produce after video. Talking about your feeling, for me, when making amazing video, like you see, I feeling high dopamine.
Yeah, I get that.
high dopamine. We finish all successful story.
Sure.
The same you feel?
Yeah, for me, I love photo and I love video.
Yeah.
With video, I feel like you capture. It's annoying to edit, but video you get the memory from it. And for me, I love to photograph and video people, like landscapes. If you're on holiday, it's nice.
Yes.
But I don't really care. You'll see a lot of my videos. I also like to get very close. I'm like I like to be very in it, taking something very close and really in the action.
Yes.
That's what I really
And
enjoy.
making the storytelling about all of all this video.
Yeah, that's it. Because especially silicon, it's not an easy product to market.
Yes.
Because one, you have a lot of products that are very cheap coming from Asia. You also have different qualities, and it's not a product that a lot of people care about. Okay? And it's not attractive. you have to think,
You
how
have,
am I going to
you
make
have
this
put,
fun?
some techniques to show this product amazing
Yeah.
for all another people.
Yeah, but this is it, because it's not an exciting product for a lot of
Yes.
people. A lot of people don't market it. Whereas we try to do our marketing in a way that makes it more interesting for people to look
Amazing.
at. And it's working for us, you know. It's a case of we try to show some of the product, show some of the team, show some of our factory and what we do, and just show a bit of everything.
Amazing,
you know,
amazing.
I love it. I love it.
Now we will discuss about your vision. What's your
Yeah.
vision?
My vision is, well, I'm very excited. We're going to be, you know, this Big 5 Expo?
Yeah.
We're going to be attending in Kenya
Ooh.
also. So it'll be me and Dr. Malala and I think some of our sales team going to Kenya. So we're going to be hopefully branching out into some more of Africa soon.
Perfect.
And we want to start showcasing more. But yeah, like I love the work trips because I do work for a few days. And then fun for a few days.
Amazing.
This is my reason for coming to everything, you know. So I can. We're really looking forward to Kenya meeting because we want to get into Africa, meet some more customers there, and go and see some lions. That's the dream. That's what we're looking forward to.
Allah willing, we achieve that.
Yeah,
Allah willing,
I
we
hope
achieve
so,
that.
I hope so.
For last my videos and for this amazing interview, I need from you to which listen me like young youth from 10 years and 18 years talk about tips and tricks for career success and for all things. Please watch this camera to
Okay.
say that.
Okay, so I would say that try to find something that you enjoy doing. For me, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, and I went and I did a business degree, and you know, I did some different jobs, and then I found, you know, I had some experience with marketing and management, but then I started photography as a hobby. It was just for fun. And now, you know, I'm here in Egypt photographing and videoing, and you just have to be persistent. You have to just keep working at it, and you know, take opportunities, be friendly to everyone. You don't know what will come from just being nice to people. I think
Amazing.
I think that's the
Yes.
so many people miss opportunities because they're not talking to people.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just be nice.
Yes. Finally, I very happy again
No, thank you.
to an interview with you. I hope from Allah to care about your
I hope so.
your dreams.
Thank you.
And we will. You can achieve that as soon as possible. Allah willing.
I hope so.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
No, you too.
Nice to meet
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.